Big pot, big stew. So far we got elbow macaroni. It's cooking with onions. I didn't want to caramelize them, so I thought I'd just soften them up here. We'll see what we're going to add next. So here's the rundown on the spices, left to right. Competition smoked seasoning, Creole seasoning, oregano, cilantro leaves that are dry, Thai, Jack Dude Talk Thai. The little squares there are cilantro cubes, rosemary, never dated her, but she smells good, and garlic salt. And I have some virgin olive oil in there. And we're still doing our onions and our noodles, and then we'll show you what's next. But I put the spices in to let them get simmered down and kind of filter through the flavor and let it percolate a little bit. Shh, don't tell nobody. Yeah, you'll see. I'm not diabetic yet, so we'll put some brown sugar in there. Now, I know that sounds crazy, but truth is, it'll give it a sweet flavor with the meat I'm going to put in there, which I will show you shortly what that is. Got about 2 pounds of diced ham, pork butt, and 1 Portuguese water dog who's rather interested in what I'm making. She's always there, she's always watching, and she's got to get down. Good dog. Two pounds diced potatoes. I've already got the seasoning, so I've got them without seasoning and just chopped up in little squares. Next, 28-ounce can of Bush's Sweet Heat and just plain chili beans. Let's get those put in there. Come on out, join the party. There we go. Now we're going to get our juice in there next. Hey, had 2 cans of diced tomatoes laying around. Let's just throw it in there for color. I don't know we'll taste it all that much with the way I have it spiced up, but it's just a big party, so let's just get in there and see what happens. Okay, this is Cheating Deluxe. 3 18.5, maybe 19-ounce chicken noodle minestrone. Mix it up a little bit. Give it a little bit of a better base, a little creaminess, yet a little spicy minestrone. Toss that in there. That's going to be most of our moisture. I have been putting water in there as I needed to. But see, we're going to let this simmer down for a while. And then, once it does that, it'll create its own juices. And we'll let it percolate for a while. Get this stirred up and we'll be right back. And you know what? Goya is just a great company, Christian-backed company. I had them laying around. Chickpeas, garbanzos. Why not? What the heck? Let's throw that sucker in there. And there you go. Ronnoco Ridge Pasticcio. There's your word for the day. You have to look that last word up, pistachio. Ronnoco Ridge, checking out. Time to eat dinner.